Okay, so about 2 or so minutes ago, it was just thundering like crazy out here. Pretty dark. There's the winery. That's awesome. Whoa. Did y'all see that? I thought I just saw something. But yeah, holy crap. That's creepy. So if it just thunders one more time, it should, I'm sure. Oh, maybe not, because there's sunshine coming in too, right? Oops. Yeah, there we go. Where's that sun? I can't see it here. Oh, it's up there somewhere. Anyways, so I guess it's done thundering now, so that was weird. Oh, maybe not. It should. What, you gonna make a liar out of me now? It was. Come on. Whoa! There's a lightning. Okay, so we should have thunder here soon then. And anytime. Should have thunder any second now. Whoa! Holy shit! Did y'all just hear that? Fuck, I don't know if I got that on tape, but wow! Whoa, here we go. There's another one coming. Holy shit, man. That is crazy. I wonder if it's gonna do it again. I'm so glad I got that on tape. Holy shit.